is it. So we are currently inside now, in the passage, going inside of the National Stadium. So if you didn't get the chance to be here, be sure you get to experience the entire vibe and the proceeding leading inside of the National Stadium as to see everything that actually happening. Yeah, security up and everything are going good. Let's do this, let's go. The brave Kingston College, purple to the end. Purple to the end. Everybody represented for them school. Inside. Oh my word. The running start. Inside the National Stadium, I would just go walk through and just catch the vibe and give every single person who didn't get the chance to be here the experience of inside the National Stadium here at Issa Boys and Girls Champs 2025. We're gonna make a walk a right road. Let's go. Everywhere you might work it up, play it up, roadside bars.
Sponsored by Grace Foods, Good Mood. And presenting the medals, we have Olympian and Grace Kennedy brand ambassador, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Tamika McLean, Fulger Road. Receiving the silver medal, Kavina Bourne, Port Antonio, 24.20. Receiving the gold medal, Shelly-Ann Campbell, San Diego, 24.15. Congratulations to the ladies and thanks to our sponsor, Grace Food, Good Mood. And a very special thank you to Olympian and Grace Kennedy brand ambassador, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
Quickly, let's introduce the top 8 for the long jump for Class 3 girls. Genoa Mosquito Fearing 8th. 5.7. Henry of Campion, 5.33 meters. Steel Period of Homewood, 5.34 meters. Ashley Barr, immaculate, 5.34 meters. She had a better second jump of 5.18. Ali Bell of Immaculate, 5.40 meters. Joanna Pellet of St. Andrew High, 5.43 meters. And leading Sequoia Palmer of St. Mary High, 5.55 meters. Your top 8 going into their next 3 jumps. The Jamaica
So we
Tourist
take a walk,
sponsored
right
Class
around.
800 meters for boys.
So that's where we're coming from.
Made 58.06.
Stadium is
Set
a
by
full as
Wakanda
yet,
Costa
but as we
of
said
Jamaica
early.
College. Let's go with the lineup. 2 minutes 06.61 to qualify. Represented Stents, Dejon Gray. 2 minutes 06.64 to qualify. Represented Kawa Malrick Thomas. 2 minutes 06.47 seconds to qualify from Owners Alfaria Cunningham. 2 minutes 02.95 seconds to qualify. Represented St. Jacob Kaim Campbell. 2 minutes 03.22 to qualify from Belfield Javon Tomlin. 2 minutes 06.35 seconds to qualify from Jamaica College Marcardo Williams. 2 minutes 05.66 to qualify from Manchester High Tyrone Turner. And rounding out the field, 2 minutes 06.77 seconds to qualify from Alphonsus Davis to Vane Robinson. They're sent away their business. This one has lots of action to unfold. Dejon Gray of St. Elizabeth Technical. He goes to the early lead and to the inside the man to Vane Robinson. He also travels well. He's from Alphonsus Davis. But also pushing the pace has to be the man Mark Williams of Jamaica College. With Alfaria Cunningham of Holders trying to push the pace. And we can never forget the undeniable presence of the man there in red. Left field, Savon Tomlin. Took the silver. In the 1500 meters. And now himself and Kaim Campbell.
That's the first lap.
Just about side by side in the 800 meters for Class 3 boys. Alfaria Cunningham has run well all season and is expected to do well here. Third fastest over the distance at 2 minutes 01.76, and he now begins to push to the front. Manchester High is also in this game and he leads
so far at the National Stadium, you have long jump going on and you have the long distance running
23
going on.
and receiving the gold medal, John Robley. And they go 22.57.
Alright, so let's keep it moving. One of the vibes car of this.
Standing by now for the Class 2 girls 800 meters final. Event is sponsored by
We have the C-bar side. Learn more.
Khabib Rahim, 2 minutes and 7.74 seconds. Set back in 2005. Let's meet our finalists. In lane 8, she missed the medal by finishing 4th last year, 2 minutes 49 qualified. From Sydney Payton, Danielle Hodges. In lane 7, the silver medalist in this event last year, finished 6th on 1500 meters, 2 minutes 55 in qualifying. From St. Jago High, Khadija Coombs. In lane number 6,
Green and a
the
black.
defending champion, her sister just took bronze in class 3, 2 minutes 13.40 seconds in qualifying. Second in the 1500 meters from Homer Technical, Shelby Rose. In lane 5, the Greta under 17 silver medalist, the 1500 meters gold medalist, 2 minutes 12.5 seconds in qualifying. From Francis Davis, Ali K. Reynolds. In lane 4, the finalist in 1500 meters, 4th at Central Championships, 2 minutes 15.04 in qualifying.
Yeah.
Also from Francis Davis, Tabra Williams.
Champs.
In lane 3, she finished outside the medals in the 1500 meters. Reigning Curta under 17 gold medalist in this event. She was second in class 3 from the Central Championships this year. 2 minutes 13.60 qualified from Edwin Allen, Kevin Gay Fowler. In lane 2, representing St. Jago High, 2 minutes 15.43 qualified. Let's make welcome Shayna Fletcher. And in lane 1, 2 minutes 15.44 qualified. The bronze medalist over the 1500 meters from Heidel, Rihanna Morgan. That's the lineup for the class 2 girls 800 meters.
So class 2 800 girls are running on. How would they in a National Stadium? Energy sweet. So we're just making our way right around the stadium.
She took the 1500 meters on Wednesday night against all odds. Kevin Gay Fowler missed the medal in that 1500 meters. She's much better over 800 meters, but as it stands, Tabra Williams about Francis Davis goes to the front early. Fletcher of St. Jago on the inside as well.
As the athlete come around.
1:68 for the first 400 meters. It's Shayna Fletcher of St. Jago. A finalist in the last 2 years.
The St. Jago Pass, I don't know, say St. Jago Pass lit up.
Ali K.
party have his son in a man.
A silverware
Son of
party
hell.
for Rose Sisters at Champs 2025. But Ali K. Reynolds with a double gold at middle distance, gold at 1500, gold now in 800, Rose at double silver, 211.58 for Reynolds, 212.78 for Rose.
Medal presentation. Presentation. 200 meters for boys class 2. Event sponsored by Grace Kennedy. Presenting the medals, we have Ms. Ingrid Bedwinter, brand manager, sauces, seasonings, and spices. Grace Foods. Receiving the bronze medal, Jason Peter, Kingston College, 22.01 seconds.
Around here, so now definitely Kingston
And
College.
receiving the silver
Crazy
medal,
purple.
Jadon Collins,
Purple everywhere.
21.99. And the winner of the event, St. Bernard, Petersfield, 21.82. Congratulations to the athletes and thanks to our sponsor, Grace Kennedy.
Thank you so much.
Good move.
Thank you so much, Teddy Price. Well, we've seen the wrap-up of the Class 2 boys high jump. Senator Johnson of Monroe winning the event, clearing 2.03 meters. Second went to Zachary Nisbet of Manchester, 2 meters. And the third, Adrian Williams of Kitchfield, cleared 1.90 meters. Same height,
The bro say,
but he cleared
if
it
you buy one
first
of
time.
water, make you $100. I would not take you
Solomon
with
Hurd of
$200.
Kingston College, who cleared on his second attempt. He finishes fourth. Fifth, Nicara Johnston of St. Jago, 1.85 meters. Sixth, Ricardo Street of Cornwall, also cleared 1.85 meters. Seventh, Eugene Warren of Jamaica College, 1.85 meters. And there's a four-way tie for 8th position. Richard Green of Calabar, Jaden Wollaston of Brockhorst, Angel Ferguson of Monroe, and Rashid Francis of Woolmas, all tied for
They are
8th.
going to bust it up. So, if anything, me will call it. I buy that, me we done thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, alright.
Perhaps you want to get an update
it,
on the
that's it.
current standings.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. National Stadium. It's an energy, it's a vibe.
After 33 events scored on the girls' side, not including
Let's
the
hear the
class
score.
2, 800 meters for girls. Let's give you that top 5. We begin with Warmers on 78 points. In fourth, St. Jago 102 points. Third, Homer Technical 154 points. Second, Edwin Allen 174 points. And leading, Heidel 199 points. Heidel still keeping that lead. 25 points clear of Edwin Allen. On the boys' side, 28 events scored. Let's go with the top 10. We have some time. Edwin Allen in 10, 27 points. St. George's College, 28 points. 40 points. Warren College, 36 points. St. Warner's, 41 points. Fifth, Excelsior, 54 points. Fourth, St. Jago, 95 points. points. In second, Calabar, 166 points. And leading 28 events scored. The last one in the class lead in the Minnesota boys, Kingston College.
That is it.
Presentation 200 meters. This event is sponsored by ISAF and
So far, we're right over the Kingston College side, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Everything I said. Blizzard, peanut, water, juice, cupcake. Oh my word, there's so much things going on. Even crayfish, you have even crayfish inside the National Stadium selling. Yeah. So right now basically everything you can think of is here selling at the National Stadium. A vendor. Yeah, man.
Go to the right, around the side. Yeah, man, we can't block the floor. Yeah, we can't block the floor, please.
Inside the National Stadium. So this video is all about the vibe. So if you didn't get the chance to make it, this is what is happening right now at the National Stadium inside. So you can actually stay right at home and enjoy a nice little vibe so you can see exactly what was going on here at the National Stadium for ISA Champs 2025. Yeah, man. I don't know grandstand over there. Yeah, grandstand over there. And the stadium slowly but surely getting packed. You see me? Yeah, man. So big up all my Jamaica walk by massive. Oh my God, it's been a vibe. It's been a vibe. It's been a great energy. Selling myself. Who that? I think I Bali.
I'm not taking phone.
Yo, are you trouble? You know, trouble here, you know. Big up and respect the teacher. You know, so when I pass first, I hear somebody say something. I think blessings and respect, you see me? That is it, man. With the
Yes, remember?
figure that bad respect by all outside.
Yeah, they
It's all a conference. I'm all a vibe, man. Big up and respect, yes, sir. We're so forward. Yeah, big up to our supporters. When I be with the outside, I go and do it same way. Blessings and respect, same way. Yeah, that be all the persons that we always comment and always do the thing the right way. Super appreciate them generally and the missus in the crowd right about now. Will give me a yell and say, yo, walk by, you know what I mean? So it's all love, it's all respect. Thank you for shouting me. You know what I mean? When you recognize the thing. Don't afraid to give me a yell, man. Don't afraid to give me a one yell and say, yo, walk by, cause we're all human beings, man. We there have to chat to you. We there have a reason. You see me? I say, no joke, no doubt. You understand?
At this rate, at this time, if your vehicles are there, you'll be parking at your own risk. The vehicles are
You hear that?
6717JF, a silver Nissan Latio.
We are here at the National Stadium. We just have to find a seat and we are going to hold back a vibe and we are going to easy and enjoy the show. So big up to everybody who watched the video. Thank you so much. If you are watching and you're not yet subscribed, please I'm asking you to subscribe. And if you love the entire vibe, the energy, the everything about what going on right now, like the video. And honestly to God, if you don't like the vibe, don't afraid to dislike it same way, see me? Yeah man, no joke, no doubt, because we all have a choice. And guess what? You can just like the video because me ask if you like it. How about that? Yeah, please, just like it because me ask you if you like it. You understand? Yeah man.
Your vehicles will be left in that area at their own risk. Thank you.
Yeah.
There seems to be a lot of tension here in the National Stadium. Perhaps a wave will stretch you and ease all that tension. We kindly wait to that activity. Perhaps a wave anytime soon. Perhaps a wave anytime soon. Kingston College from the bleachers.
So cool, it's so cool, man.
You have that tendency. Perhaps a wave to ease the tensions. To relax the nerves.
So you don't know.
The grandstand.
I go get something to drink right now. I go get something to cool down my head. Sun hot like whoa. Can't take that from you, so it's not like whoa. So listen, I'm gonna tell you a tip. See if you don't follow the champs next year, make sure you have one of these. An umbrella. Make sure you have one of the hat where cover your whole head like when me have one. Look good. You see hat when me have one? Yeah. That me have to ease off the sun. Look good. A mad thing, man. So have one of them out there and make sure say you walk with money. Walk with money. So you can buy your juice, buy your water. Don't leave in a car. Let's go mash up in here. So make sure say you have all of them something there and you're good to go. See? So mad love, mad respect to everybody who stay here and watch the natural vibe, the natural ambiances in all aspects. Big up to my members. You understand? Super big up to my members. You understand? You'll be seeing a little thing right here so on the screen showing my members mad love, mad respect. Thank you so much for supporting Jamaica Walk By. To be a member of Jamaica Walk By is only $1 a month. Only $1 Jamaican dollar per month to support Jamaica Walk By. You see me I say? So if you look below the video in the description, you'll see a link to subscribe for membership here on YouTube. So it's not like you're going somewhere else. So you're going to subscribe on YouTube for $1 a month on Jamaica Walk By to be a member. See? Yeah, there are loads of perks that come with that. You see me? So blessings and respect. The National Stadium lit and the place I get loaded and everything. So guess what? I'll be releasing a video now where they're going on to the ending of Champs. So I'm going to do a night version where I'm going to start filming in the night. So this is the day version as to what happened in the day here at the National Stadium. So you don't know you have after Champs, you have the people that leave the stadium, vibes are go out the door. TC and pretty Rebel them are going to have them party outside. So stay tuned for that and watch that video. Mad love, mad respect as we do it like this. See? Yeah man.
Lane number 5, the second fastest over the distance this season at 1 minute 55.30 seconds, representing Calabar, Alejandro Palma. Lane number 4, he was 4th in the 1500 meters, represented Kingston College, Christopher Anderson. In lane number 3, the 1500 meters champion, representing William Neighbor, 1 minute 58.96 to qualify, Tywayne Sterling. In lane number 2, last year, had a double over 800 and 1500 in class 3. He represents Jamaica College, 1 minute 59.74 seconds to qualify, Cavell Nooks. And in lane 1, the Eastern Championship silver medalist over 800 meters from Port Antonio, Tyrese White.
And they're ready, we could just get the race a start. And it's
Well, let's see how this one goes. The regional championships are well represented in this 800 meters. 2 from the eastern region, 2 from the west, 3 from the corporate area, and 1 from the center of the island. And it's the man from the west, the east, who goes out fast. Rashid Grant was third in the final last year.
Yeah, man.
He's
Race start.
by Tywin Sterling, who was the winner of the 1500 meters, and Alejandro Palmer, who was the second fastest time over 800 meters this season in Class 2. Just behind them, Luke Plummer, who himself had medals last year in Class 3. He was third, and he's also the silver medalist in the 1500 meters.
Yo, they're nice. Give it the right.
Alejandro Palmer of Calabar will lead them through Broken 400. That's blinding pace, just under 54 seconds. Sterling of William Knibb, the man from the west, goes beyond him though, and trying to chase is Rashid Grant. Tough for Palmer. Oh, that's not good. He keeps his footing and he continues to fight. What a lion. He is a lion at the very sense of the word. He's still pushing, he's still going, but it's the man at the top. Tywin Sterling, Rashid Grant will have to do something special to catch back Sterling of William Knibb. He's going for the double, but Rashid Grant goes out of the 400 meters. He'll look for a medal here. It's Sterling and Grant at top 2. Alejandro Palmer struggling. Sterling is holding on. Grant doesn't seem to with the man from Port Antonio White
Man, the wind still stand up enough.
in
Man,
7th
the
and
wind still
Newland.
stand up. Everybody is here, bro.
54.84. The time for the winner, Sterling of
You know me, that's
William Knibb.
We are by Ghana. You're not going to close
That's
this
the
in a
double
second.
for the man from out west. What a big performance.
Yeah, big.
156.39. What a moment he had.
The vibe nice. It's just a different energy here at Champs. You know me, I'm going to try and enjoy the festivities. Because me there, me a whole vibe of energy. Food like wow. Me a go eat some food, me a go drink some juice. Me a go do everything and full my belly. And ready up for later on again. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Here at the National Stadium. I'm going to tell you.
Christopher Anderson,
Bad dog, this man. It's the bad dog.
158.39. Kept it close for Casey Hare.
I'm sorry that me can't get the video the race like I want to because I don't know what thing go. Me not have the camera equipment for video the race and get it like that, but you don't know, me not there for video race, me there for video the natural vibe, the natural ambiances, everything we are going in the crowd and showing the beautiful country, the beautiful people them and everything like that. You see me I say? So as you can see, all of this aside come like then just give this aside to Kingston College. All you can see are purple and white, straight across the board. And if you look up at the grandstand side, most of the grandstand is actually purple and white. So you don't know, Kingston College supporters them out in them numbers crazily. You understand? So no joke, no doubt. Blessed respect. Come here, we can walk, lead the way. Yeah, so I'm going to rest my foot them for a little bit and forward back in the night. The show no wagwan.
Next event on track. The final of the Grace Forwards is sponsored goes to 800 meters. The champ's record, 2 minutes 03.75, set in 2004 by Kaya Thompson. She represented Edwin Allen. Let's start in lane number 8 and welcome the Western champion from St. Elizabeth Technical, Shanae Jarrett. In lane number 4 champion representing Papine, Sabrina McDonald. In lane number 2, the Western champion representing St. Elizabeth Technical, Shepardisia Griffiths. And in lane number 1, she was 5th in the 1500 meters. Central champs bronze medalist in this event, representing Hope Technical, Florence Nafamba. That is the lineup for the final of the Class 1 girls 800 meters. No high-tech championship, but an opportunity for Edwin Allen to further close the gap. And who better to do it than the captain, Monique Stewart. She starts in inning number 7.
I'll find the spot, them sit down, that way they win a last.
She means business. Sitting behind her is Sydney Rose of Technical.
Straight at the top. Yeah man, go straight at the top. And then we can come back out.
She is still searching as well for Hope Technical, the Central Champs bronze medalist. She was 5th in the 1500 meters. She would dearly love to have a medal here over 800 meters. They go through the first 400 and it's Stewart with the lead. Stepping right up now is Rose the Jake Short.
No go on. This is the vibe, the real vibe at the National Stadium, but no joke, no doubt. The energy just different. A mad cinema, a mad thing. my legs. One love. Big up to everybody who joined the video. Super appreciate everybody with the right side of the grandstand. I don't know, see the back seat them up there, so a mad thing. Yeah, we not missing on the right now. That's why it's like the box. I'm here to tell you. And the Kingston College one at it. Big up our respect and thank you so much for watching.
up, stand up, stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Stand up, Alright, Malik, touch your name. Walk with the slippers. Walk with the slippers. You're gonna walk right here behind you.